welcome to Just Showing My Dogs Part 11 slash, okay, slash, slash Ed's request, because he wanted this, but I can't even do it. Say hello to everyone. You can't see his face, but he looks super cute. He's just really tired. Okay. Yeah. Pepper, stop attacking me. I'm gonna cut you off your station, jeez. Okay. Teddy, please. Good girl. You did. Yes. Okay. Coco, I need to reposition the camera. Oh my. Coco. Yeah, this is the key. Sorry, if you don't know what we're gonna just look right there for the comment. Right there for the comment. That's the comment right there. Okay. Okay. And then, okay, well, we're 2 minutes in. And this has already got for a free Facebook. And Coco tried to remove my sunglasses. Okay, slow down. Okay, so I'm still getting cut. You can't see it right now. Anyway, I'll see it. I don't know. As we're recording this, I don't know if you can see it. Okay, and now it's working. Okay, good boy. Dad. Stu. What? And just stay there for the next minute and a half. I mean 2 minutes and a half. So where are you going? No. Okay, I guess that doesn't record. But too bad. He can be recorded anyway. I ended the recording, so I'm just gonna guess. Later. Wait, why is the camera shy all of a sudden? Okay. And a little bit left. Get that done. Oh, yikes. That was scary. Yikes. Oh. I'm trying to position it so. Oh, that's what I call a good camera. I keep falling over. It's his turn now. Are you happy, Coco? I don't know if I can keep this, like, I don't know how I'm gonna edit this. But yeah. Ducky, you're a good ducky. There are a bunch of hairs getting on the screen. That's fine. I can just clean it off later. Okay. Can barely see what's happening. Ugh. Cookie. Go. You still got like 3 minutes left. What is it? 2.5 minutes. You crossed the halfway mark. Good job, Kaka. You can withstand this, can't you? I'm making a gaming video soon if you want to see that. I'm sure I'll make another edit. I'm not sure. Comment in the comments if you want to see another edit. This isn't as bad as I thought it would be. It's actually quite peaceful. Okay. You're nearly done. Girl, you're smiling. You're so cute, aren't you? Oh, yeah, you want itchy. You're a bit itchy, aren't you? Okay. It's 1 minute to go, okay? Okay. Now it says 20, when it says 20 seconds left, I'll do a countdown. Okay. No. Twenty, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14. No, not anymore. Okay. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. He's a good little doggo.